Question number 11. Some small solid cubes have a mass m and sides of length 5 centimeter. Sides of length 5 centimeter. Okay. Three small cubes are stacked together to form a large solid cube with sides of length 2 meters. Okay, let me call this L over here. What is the weight of the large cube? Weight of the large cube he is asking. How do I find? So weight is equal to what? Weight is equal to mass into gravity, right? Here, so gravity is already known to us. You can put G equal to 10. I need to find out the mass of the large cube. How do I find the mass? Mass is as three small cubes are stacked together to form a large side. Okay. Now you see here mass is given, length is given. What can you find from here? If you are given length, you can find out the area, you can find out volume. Okay. So if volume can be found out from here, mass by volume equal to density. You can find out from here, right? So now let us find out the density first. Density of this one is equal to mass is 1 kg divided by volume. What is volume? This is a cube, so this should be 5 cube, right? So this is 5 centimeter, right? So this should be 0.05 meter cube. This should be your density. Okay, now I am not going to expand anything. I'm just going to keep it like this. Then, so these cubes are stacked together to form a solid cube with sides of length 2 meter. Which means what? What is the volume of this one here? So again I'll use the same formula, which will be density into volume dash. Okay, bigger cube, right? So which should now be equal to, density is what? 1 divided by 0.05, the whole cube, multiplied by, what is the volume of this one? This would be 2 cube into 2 cube, right? And now what do we have here? So let us substitute all these values and get the answer. That's it. Okay, this will give you the mass, multiply that by G to get the value of the weight. Okay, so now let us take up my calculator. Calculators here. So I will 2 cube is 8 divided by 0.05 whole cube. 0.05 divided by 0.05 is equal to so much, divided by 0.05 square. Square is equal to so much, which is 64,000. So the mass should have been 64,000 kg. Now if it is weight, this should be 64,000 multiplied by 10, which should be 6440 over here. Here what is this now? Newton. Okay. Now, but here everything is in terms of 0.63, 0.39 and so on. Definitely it is 64, so definitely it should be either 6 C or D. Okay, now let us see. You need to convert it. You need to put it into decimal points. So how do I put here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which should be 0.64. Okay, and the 6 over here into 10 to the power of 6 Newton. 10 to the power 6 is nothing but the million. Okay, so therefore the right answer is C over here, because I can now write this as 0.64 million Newton. Okay.